Good day guys! I'm Dan Sandil and I'm an industrial designer. So, I've been 3D printing since 2015 and it helps me a lot in making things from concepts to 3D model and then the real thing. Also in prototyping and fabrication. So, come and join us and I will discuss my experience and knowledge about 3D printing and the future of creating things. So, let's get started! So the applications. So as you can see in the picture is it is now used in aeronautics. So they are now improving the fuselage or the other parts of the airplane to make it lighter and to save cost of the fuel of the airplane. So it will also make the parts faster based on your ideas or with no limitation. So next, if you're familiar with architecture now, it is used in 3D printing homes. So I think I get this in a website where it was this 3D printed home is sold to the middle income class in, I think it's UK. So this will help a lot in making homes faster in just a few days. You now have a home that you can live with. So next is the automotive. So in 2015, the Stratis, or this is the name of the company, the Strati. So I mean locomotors, they named this the Strati. So it is a 3D printed body of a car. So the components are, some of the components are metal, but the overall structure or the body is 3D printed in carbon fiber. So next, it is also used in engineering. So nowadays most of engineers or even the 3D printer is an engineered object, so most of them are 3D printed, and it's also used in robotics also. So next is crafts. So imagine if you're a craftsman and you're doing this the whole day, what will happen to you, or you cannot do this accurately, this detail. Okay. So next is the food. So this is a 3D printed chocolate from Hershey. So as you can see the possibility of the 3D printer using in foods, pizza, biscuits, or other food nowadays. So next is the in fashion industry, they are now 3D printing fabrics or clothes according to what they like or according to their ideas or concept. So in product design, so this 3D printer can help us a lot. For example, in this violin, so this is a 3D printed violin that is being used like the actual or the wood type violin. So we can also use it in gears, in furniture, sculptures, other, or the casing of electronic components and other products. So next is the prosthesis. So the prosthesis is widely used now by some of the disabled people because the cost of 3D printing has go down rapidly. The cost of making a prosthesis is now affordable or cheaper. So as you can see, the dog now can walk because of this prosthesis. So as you can see, it will boost the morale of those disabled and other people who need this type of technology, which can make them more productive and proactive. Okay. Next is in robotics. So as you can see here, this is all 3D printed. From the hand, it is printed because you can see the layer lines. They used the FDM filament or 3D printer. Okay, imagine the possibilities in using the 3D printer. So next is the parts. Parts of the 3D printer, mainly for the fuse fabrication filament, are the of course the controller board or the board motherboard which controls the parts. Then the power, X and Y axis, X, Y, and Z axis. The X and Y axis moves left and right. Then the Y axis moves front and back, and while the Z axis goes up and down. Then the plastic filament, which is used to make objects like this one. So this extruder also is needed to get the filament and push through the nozzle and make an object. So nowadays, some 3D printers have other features like the filament runout sensor. When the filament is broken, it will automatically pause the printing. Then you can resume it later. Then touch panel, then the inductive sensor, and then basically that's it.